Easy Lift Equipment air-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for dispensing drums in areas where DC-powered equipment is not permitted. Drum dumpers are available with a variety of clamps that offer either 360-degree endless side rotation or 180-degree forward rotation. This model features our 180-degree forward rotation FCR clamp. The model seen here is equipped with a 96-inch lift height, 2-stage mast, and is capable of gripping plastic, fiber, and steel drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum dumper. Before operating your drum dumper, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to beginning. To get started, ensure an end-user supplied male coupling has been connected to the brass ball valve with a 1/2-inch NPT female thread. This air-powered drum dumper requires a consistent air supply of 100 psi. The hose and coupling have a 1/2-inch inside diameter to produce the maximum air from the air and hydraulic power unit. Then, open up the air supply ball valve. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order by pushing or pulling the corresponding valves which provide variable speed at the respective function. These functions include lift and lower, rotate forward, and rotate back, as well as clamp open and close. A red safety button is required to open and close the clamp. This is to help prevent an unintentional release of an elevated load. You should verify that all functions are in proper working order prior to using the equipment. If not, contact a supervisor before beginning. To get started, disengage the step-down foot floor lock. The ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the drum dumper is not in use. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward to clamp the drum. Use the lift valve so the clamp is in line with the vertical center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. It is recommended to apply slight forward motion when closing the clamp so the operator-facing side of the drum makes solid contact with the clamping jaws while they're closing. This helps ensure a secure grip. Use the appropriate valves to clamp and raise the drum. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to its destination. Dark or ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Once the drum is properly clamped and at the required location, lift the drum by pushing on the lift valve gently. This unit raises or lowers at a variable speed which is determined by how much pressure is applied to the valve. Dispense the product by gently pushing the rotate valve accordingly. The clamp rotates at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by gently pulling accordingly on the rotate valve. When dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. The clamping jaws are lined with slip-resistant SBR rubber for a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The SBR rubber on the clamp is provided with a tacky finish, which is needed to help ensure a secure grip when handling plastic and fiber drums. However, when handling very heavy plastic, fiber, or tapered drums, especially those without ribs, it may be necessary to add either a pony hold-down or foot support to help reduce the risk of slippage from the clamping jaws. The pony hold-down provides support to ensure a secure hold when the drum is rotated. Both the pony hold-down and foot support are constructed in stainless steel for cleanliness and durability. All models are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. A small drum adapter is also available, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 14 inches in diameter. The small drum adapter is comprised of 2 individual curved sections with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curves. The sections are installed over each side of the clamp, then locked into place by inserting a stainless steel retaining pin and cotter pin. Always turn off the air supply ball valve when the unit is not in use. Turning off the air supply ball valve will help prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum dumpers are available in an FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. A pail adapter, specifically designed for handling 5-gallon pails, is also available. With the pail adapter installed, the FCR clamp has a minimum diameter of approximately 10 inches. For applications requiring the drum dumper to access tanks with recessed openings, a counterbalanced base frame is also available to provide increased reach for the drum dumper. When finished, always place the drum dumper in a safe location. Lower and close the clamp. Engage the foot floor lock. Turn off the air supply ball valve and disconnect the air line before walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.